دارم به افتخار خودتون و میهمانان عزیز حاضر دست بزنید.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحیم. الحمد لله رب العالمین و صلی الله علی سیدنا و نبینا محمد و آله الطاهرین و صحبه المنتجبین. بسیار خرسندم از اینکه امروز یکی از جلوه‌های همکاری بین جمهوری اسلامی ایران و کشور دوست، برادر و همسایه و عزیزان ما در پاکستان رقم می‌خوره. کشورهای ایران و پاکستان روابط بسیار عمیق و عریقی دارند. ریشه این ارتباط برمیگرده به اعتقادات و باورهای دو ملت و دو کشور. روابط دینی، اخلاقی، تمدنی. کشورهای ایران و پاکستان
Iran and Pakistan enjoy deep-rooted relations, and the root of these relations goes back to the beliefs of the two countries' people and countries, religious ties, ethical ties, civilizational ties, which exist between the two countries. Today, relations between Iran and Pakistan are exemplary ones. The dear nation of Pakistan is very understanding and religious people, and they are they are interested in the Islamic Revolution of Iran. Our relations with Pakistan in different areas, we have had relations in different areas since the beginning till today, and these relations are improving day by day. In the political, social, economic, cultural domains. And today, the two countries are set to further upgrade these relations, to increase them from the current level. I wholeheartedly congratulate the Pakistani president and foreign minister and other officials. I wholeheartedly welcome them here at this border point on Iranian soil in order to inaugurate a project, a joint venture between the two countries. It is a project on the exchange of energy and electricity, and a substation which is inaugurated here between the two countries. This project should have been inaugurated years ago, but it was delayed due to different reasons. However, the potential exists in currently there is a capacity of 100 megawatts of electricity, but this capacity can be increased for the exchange of energy between the two countries. Thanks to the Islamic Revolution of Iran and thanks to the guidelines of the late Imam Khomeini, as well as the leader of the Islamic Revolution, despite the threats and sanctions by the enemy, we, on the back of efforts by young Iranians and Iranian intellectuals in different areas, in different energy sectors, and by enjoying the necessary technology and know-how, major steps have been taken in such a way that despite the will of the enemy, today we have capabilities, potentialities in the country. We have neutralized all these sanctions. efforts made inside the country. Maybe it's unbelievable for some people who are not aware of the so much progress made in Iran thanks to the efforts made by our youth. One of the sectors in which much progress has been made is energy, electricity, oil and gas. Our country, it produces and exports those items, and good progress has been made in this field, and efforts have been made to change it into a knowledge-based sector, the energy sector. We are fully prepared to further deepen our relations with our neighboring country, Pakistan, in the energy sector. We can take further and larger steps in this field. The potentialities are there to take further steps. So I'd like to ask to thank the dear Energy Minister as well as other contractors who have finished the job in a short period of time, because we were behind the schedule with the project, and this was a problem for both our friends in Pakistan and in Iran. So they decided to make up for that. So in a matter of 9 months, they managed to pull it off, and today we are inaugurating this project. Despite the exchange of energy, today we see with our neighboring countries, based on the good neighborly policy, we are set to further deepen our relations. We also inaugurate, actually border markets between the countries are becoming activated, and we inaugurated one border market in the no man's land, but 6 other border markets are being prepared as well in order to further exchange, to further boost exchanges on the border between the 2 countries. It will both create jobs and also boost trade between the 2 countries, both to boost retail trade. And at a higher level, we are engaged in our economic and trade work with Pakistan. An important point in this connection is that this meeting you see, the Prime Minister of Pakistan is present here at this border point, and I'd like to thank them all and all those involved in this project. May God bless them all. The message of this project is one of security. That means that we see security on the border between Iran and Pakistan, and we consider the border as an opportunity, not a threat. Our borders are an opportunity for border exchanges, are an opportunity for boosting security between the 2 countries, as well as among Islamic countries. Insecurity in Pakistan today is regarded as insecurity in Iran, and the slightest insecurity along the border on the Iranian side is considered insecurity on the Pakistani side. And security in the region is very important for us. We deeply believe that regional issues could be resolved through regional dialogue. The interference by foreigners will never ever solve any of our problems. The presence of foreigners in our region is considered as a threat. Their presence will solve no problem. We can solve our problems by holding talks among high-ranking officials in the region. The interference and presence of foreign countries in the region, well, we can see an example of that interference.